Hello viewers, welcome to Kavi's Math Period. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter is 14 cm and the height of the vessel is 13 cm. Find the capacity of the vessel. So what is given? The vessel is in the form of a hemisphere. On this a hollow cylinder is mounted. And the parameters given are the diameter of the hemisphere is given, it is 14 cm, and height of the vessel is given to be 13 cm. So here the vessel means it includes a hemisphere and a cylinder. Now given is diameter of a hemisphere is given 14 cm. Therefore radius equal to diameter by 2, which is given by 7 cm, and also height of the vessel is given 13 cm. So as I said, vessel means it includes a hemispherical part and a cylinder part. Now what is asked? Find the capacity of the vessel. So capacity means we have to find the volume of the vessel. So volume of the vessel means here it contains two figures, that is hemispherical part and cylindrical part. So volume means we have to find volume of the hemisphere and the volume of the cylinder. Then we have to sum up both the volumes. So before finding volume, let us find height of the cylindrical part. So height of cylindrical portion. So height of cylindrical portion means we need only the height up to this, right? So we need only height up to this. So that means we have to subtract the total height and the height of this hemisphere. So here for a hemisphere, radius is given to be 7 cm. If this part is the radius, then this is also the radius for the hemisphere. Therefore, this height is given to be 7 cm. Therefore, height of cylindrical portion equal to total height minus height of hemispherical portion. Hemispherical portion. So, which is equal to total height is given by 13 minus height of hemispherical portion is nothing but it denotes the radius. So it is 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6 cm. So height of cylindrical portion is 6 cm. So after finding this, we have to find the volume of the given vessel. So volume of the given vessel. So as I said earlier, volume of the given vessel means it includes a hemisphere and a cylinder. So we have to find the volume of two different portions separately and sum up the two. Therefore, volume of the given vessel is given by volume of cylindrical portion plus volume of hemispherical portion. So what is volume of a cylinder? It is pi r squared h. Volume of hemisphere is given by 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now let us substitute all these parameters. So that is 22 by 7 into r radius of the cylinder. So radius of the cylinder and radius of the hemisphere both are same. So it is 7 squared into height of the cylinder we have found as 6 plus 2 by 3 into pi, 22 by 7 into radius of the hemisphere, it is 7, so 7 cube. Now let us calculate the value. So 22 by 7 into 7 squared can be written as 7 into 7 into 6 plus the next part 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 cube. So writing 7 3 times. So here 1 7 get cancelled. The same way here also 1 7 get cancelled. Now we have to multiply this 22 into 7 into 6. So on multiplying, the value will be 924 plus Here we have to multiply 2 into 22 into 7 into 7. So it will be 2156 divided by 3. So as we cannot cancel this value, we can directly divide. So 924 plus 718.67. Since this multiplying and dividing is easy, I am skipping this step. So which is equal to, on adding these two, we have 1642.67 centimeter cube. So here I have divided this 2156 by 3 and I have added the value to 924. If not, you can find the LCM for this two terms. After that, we can divide and find the value. Thank you.